Hi mga ka-cray! Ayan, so tonight, we're gonna have our dinner sa Goryo Korean restaurant here in Okada, Manila. So we're going to celebrate the birthday of our bunso! How old are you, bunso? Ayun! 26. So yan, mag-dinner lang kami sa Goryo tonight. So ano, naliligaw na. And dito kami sa Warp Zone. Dadaan. So samahan niyo kami for another food adventure. Oo, sarap doon sa Goryo. So, Goryo, papunta daw doon. Nandito sa may likod yung daan papasok doon sa mga ibang restaurant sa Okada. So, andito yung Goryo, nandito yung, ano ba yung nandito? Yung Red Spice. What else? Ayan, that's the garden. Ito yung papunta ng garden. Maaga siya nagsasara. Ayan, ito yung mga restaurants. So, sundan nyo lang yan just in case gusto nyo rin kumain sa Goryo.
Medyo mahabang lakaran at maraming ikot pag may kasama kang minor. Pero kung wala naman, I suggest na pumasok na lang kayo sa casino, doon kayo dumaan papunta sa Goryo kasi may shortcut doon. Ayan, narating na rin namin. Welcome to Goryo Korean Dining. You will be greeted at the receiving area. And pakita na rin namin sa inyo yung rate for their K-barbecue feast. Kasi hindi naman sila talaga yung puro Korean barbecue lang. So they also serve yung Korean food na may mga a la carte din sila. So per head for adults, it's 1,899 net. And for kids, it's 999. So 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. to. And pag dinner lang sila may limit na 2 hours. Pero if ever na lunch kayo nag-avail, wala namang nakalagay na may limit. Ayan, pasok na tayo. Kita nyo naman, ang ganda ng restaurant. Ang lakas maka-Korean feels. And of course, high ceiling. So, hindi masyadong maamoy kahit na samgyupsal or barbecue ka pa. By the way, if gusto nyo rin itry dito sa Goryo, I suggest na call them muna to book for a table. Magpa-reserve muna kayo just to make sure.
So, ito na ang aming table. So, ano masasabi nyo so far? Yan, and syempre masarap dito. Hindi siya yung typical na Korean barbecue or samgyeopsal. Yeah, that's for the soup. It's already on na. Oo. Ibigay mo na lang later. Sige. Side dishes. So, ano ba to? Kimchi and then pickled veggies. Tapos, ito ay fish cake. And then, ano yung isa? Ha? Matigas? So, let's see kung ano yan later.
So, dumating na ang mga side dishes. This is the Cobb salad. There's the fish cake, the kimchi, the rice, the lettuce, and some other food side dish. But this one is not refillable. The others, they are refillable. We're still waiting for the meat.
Naman po is plain po. Then this one po is pork shoulder po marinated po. Sweet sauce lang po. The other one po is same lang po ito, then marinated po ng sweet sauce. Okay po.
Thank you.
Yes.
So yan, lalagyan ng cheese, meron pang parang holder, okay, hot yan. And yung meat nga pala by the way is ano naman, unlimited. Diba? Yeah, they're
All unlimited.
Hindi na kami nag-order ng chicken kasi sayang pork and beef lang tayo.
And then, dumating na ang soup. This is egg soup. And this one, I don't know. What's that? Masarap na soup siya. They're busy. Cooking and eating. Yeah.
Oh, try nyo na yung soup. Can you try the soup? Is it? Ay, hindi ba? Oh, how about the egg? Okay, good. And look at the cheese. Salt and pepper. Look at the cheese. Oh, sige, try nyo naman yung meat. Gusto ko pa yung yung binigay ko sa kanila. Hindi ba pwede yun? Pwede. Oh, look at that cheese. Is it mozzarella?
Yeah. May lapad.
Okay.
So good. Quarter beef.
So, maganda yung quality ng meat nila, no?
Yung cheese pwede mag-aso ko, no?
Yeah, kasi it's mozzarella.
Ito lang naman ang hindi, ano eh, hindi refillable.
Excuse me, can I have more please? Is this beef? Yeah, is this beef?
Mas ano, 5
Yeah. And also this, is this is this unlimited? That's my cookies. Thank you. And can I get another plate? For this? Yeah, thank you.
My God. You know what? Itong ribs na to. Para itong wrap. Sorry wrap. Pero yeah. Ang sarap. May flavor siya. Parang barbecue. Sarap. How about that one? Oo, ito the best. Lahat ng meat pwede mong i-dip dun sa cheese, sa mozzarella. And it really tastes so good. Kakaiba yung cheese. Hindi siya yung mozzarella na walang lasa. Sarap. Sobrang sarap. What the best? Oo. And of course, siyempre yung rice. Siyempre, hindi ko pwedeng hindi malarap yung kain mo kung hindi naman ito yung rice. Diba?
Hindi naman malata.
Perfect yung luto. And siyempre, ano, hindi siya yung rice na hindi ko supitan. So the best. Sarap.
Sarap din to.
And what is that?
Soup. This is spicy soup. That's really good.
Grabe. Ito palang ulit na eh. Dito oh.
Ano ako dyan?
May ribs ka pa?
Ribs?
Ribs na.
Okay. Let's eat muna.
Hamida. Hamida. Thank you. Hamida.
Sarang ngayon.
Eh, dapat picture ng ring. Kaya pala. Happy birthday. Love you. And so, after ilang refill ng meat,
Third rice.
at third rice mo na hindi mo pa nagagalaw, parang na-food coma na. Ito, wala nang ginawa kundi ibase ng kanya. Grabe, sobrang busog, but it's totally worth it. So, magka-closing na kami. Anong masasabi mo, birthday girl? Ano?
Sobrang sarap ng food. Thank you. I love your family.
At saka sa service naman.
Sa service, lagi nakangiti ng mga server tip. And, yun, okay sila ang service. Overall.
Yung nakoma.
Same thing na sinabi. Siguro yung matuto sa'yo. May pakanta pa. It's really good. The quality of the meat, sobrang high quality yun. Wala siyang unnecessary taste, wala unnecessary smell, and well, everything is good. And this cake is good.
Oo, kahit black na black siya, at free yan. Pampatanggal ng umay.
So, love it.
Oo. We love Goryo! Ako naman same din. Tapos, it's totally worth the price. Kasi, kung isipin mo, medyo pricey, di ba? For a samgyupsal. Kasi sanay tayo na yung mga kinakain nating samgyupsal. Pero yung barbecue is mga around 600 or 700 lang. Di ba? Mahal na sa atin yung 1,000. What more kung nasa 1,800 pa. Di ba? So, bakit ko sinabing sulit? Kasi sabi nga nito, the quality of the meat, di ba? Tapos yung isa pang binabayaran mo dito yung service. Kasi yung service talaga nila, hindi mo matatawaran. Hindi mo na kailangan tumawag. Kasi, pag nakita na nila na may kailangan sa table mo, may kung sana sila, pati yung laging pinapalitan yung dinner. So, overall, it's, 5/5 experience for me. And, syempre, actually, pang-apat na beses na namin to sa Goryo. And every time, nagbabalik kami, may surprise. So, yung surprise na yun is the cheese. Kasi wala silang ganitong cheese.
And the
before.
ribs.
And the ribs. Yun. So, syempre, babalik kami. Thank you, Goryo. And thank you for watching!
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.